Here we go. Roll.
Yep.
Yeah, that's a more happy amount of weight. The wings have a crazy amount of incidence. So it's just a slow.
It uses like Stormworks physics.
Yeah.
It's like the more wings you put, the more lift.
Yeah,
You're like,
the more drag, so it
alright.
doesn't move forward at all. So you have to keep that from happening. Yeah, no problem, looping. Not so happy about the rolls though.
Gotta do the scale roll. There we go.
Yeah.
It looks like Hell's Angels.
Man.
We've got no idea of how fast we're moving. We got no sense of relative motion.
Uh-oh. Once you're upside down, it doesn't want to come back. Goose people play. Try to fly around low now. Oh no. Oh, you're 2 knots heavy now.
Got that extreme Richtofen maneuverability now.
Yeah, it's acting about the same, I think. Well, I mean, the issue's the same, so it's not the nose weight. So I'm making it lighter. It won't glide, but I'll try. Instant stall when you try to glide. I don't know what to do about all that. some down trim, I guess, because it likes to climb.